The sense of sight is one of the most important senses through which we can see lots of things around us, like trees, plants, animals, etc. You may say, "Eye sees the object," but it's the light that is emitted by the object or reflected by the object, which makes them visible whether it's day or night. Let's understand what is ray. A ray is a narrow beam or a straight line path along which light travels. Light emitted by luminous objects travels in all directions. In this video, we will learn about laws of reflection. To understand this, we can go through one activity. Take a bulb. Suppose one of the rays from the light of the bulb strikes on a point of a surface. From there, it will be reflected to a particular direction. Ray is reflected only to a particular direction because light follows certain rules of reflection. If we draw a perpendicular line in a center of incident ray and reflected ray, that is called normal. Now you may have a question, what is angle of incidence and what is angle of reflection? The light ray which strikes on surface and forms an angle with normal, then it is called the incident ray, and it is denoted by I. And the ray which comes back from the surface after reflection from a particular point and makes an angle with normal, so then it's called reflected ray, and it is denoted by R. So this concludes our very first law, that angles of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Even if we move our incidence ray, our reflected ray will be changed accordingly, as I is always equals to R. Now let's learn about the second law of reflection. The incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence, and the reflected ray will all lie in the same plane. We can see this through another activity. If we draw the above scenario on a piece of paper, incident ray, normal ray, and reflected ray, all three are on the same plane of the paper. Even if the direction of the planes get changed, incidence ray will be changed and accordingly reflected and normal will take their places. But all three of them lies on the same plane. So we learned about